Welcome to Medconnect. Ever felt a sudden chill followed by a fever that just won't quit? It could be malaria, a mosquito-borne disease that plagues millions worldwide. But fear not, Medconnect is here to shed light on this complex illness, from its origins to its prevention. Sparkles. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and smash that like. Your support fuels our passion for medical knowledge, and your comments keep the conversation flowing. So, let's talk malaria. Malaria is a potentially life-threatening disease caused by parasites transmitted through the bite of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. While preventable and treatable, it remains a significant public health concern, especially in tropical and subtropical regions. Understanding its nuances is vital. Causes. The disease is primarily caused by Plasmodium parasites, with 5 species affecting humans: P. falciparum, P. vivax, P. ovale, P. malariae, and P. knowlesi. The parasites enter the bloodstream through mosquito bites, infecting the liver and then red blood cells, leading to cycles of fever and other symptoms. Symptoms: malaria chills, sweats, headaches, nausea, vomiting, muscle pain, and fatigue. In severe cases, it can cause complications like anemia, respiratory distress, organ failure, and even death, especially among young children and pregnant women. Prevention. Several preventive measures can significantly mosquito control, using insecticide-treated bed nets, indoor residual spraying, and eliminating mosquitoes breed. 2. Chemoprevention, taking anti-malarial drugs as prescribed in endemic areas. 3. Protective clothing, wearing long-sleeved shirts and pants and using mosquito repellents. 4. Travel precautions, taking prophylactic medications when visiting high-risk regions. Where does malaria in Africa, Southeast Asia, South America, and parts of Oceania? Factors such as climate, mosquito habitats, access to healthcare, and socioeconomic conditions influence its prevalence and impact. Impact and efforts. Malaria poses a significant socioeconomic burden, affecting communities' health and impeding economic development in endemic regions. However, concerted efforts by governments, NGOs, and global health organizations have made strides in malaria control. Initiatives include widespread distribution of insecticide-treated bed nets, research into new treatments and vaccines, and community education on preventive measures. Major attack areas. 1. Pregnant women and children, particularly vulnerable due to weaker immune systems. 2. People with weakened immunity, HIV/AIDS, chronic diseases, and malnutrition can increase susceptibility. 3. Travelers and migrants, visiting or moving to malaria-endemic areas raises the risk. Airplane. Prevention is key. 1. Mosquito nets, sleep under insecticide-treated nets for protection at night. 2. Repellents, apply DEET or other approved repellents to exposed skin. 3. Long sleeves and pants, cover up in areas with high mosquito activity. 4. Medications, preventive drugs can be prescribed for travelers or high-risk individuals. Remember, early diagnosis and treatment are crucial to prevent complications and fatalities. If you suspect malaria, seek immediate medical attention. Caduceus. This is just a glimpse into the world of malaria. Stay tuned for upcoming videos on diagnosis, treatment, and the latest research advancements. Conclusion. Understanding malaria's intricacies is crucial in combating its spread and reducing its devastating impact. Enhanced awareness, coupled with proactive measures, can contribute to the eventual eradication of this disease. Remember, staying informed and taking preventive steps not only protects individuals but also aids in global efforts to eliminate malaria. Thank you for joining us on Medconnect. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next exploration into vital health-related topics.